What's up, CG family? Welcome back to the channel. It's just me this time.
April Fools!
April Fools. So
right,
me
this video's
and Grant,
not coming out on April Fools, but it's currently April 1st.
So it's April 1st and me and Grant both flew out separate to Arizona and we are here at FFPerformance.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited.
As you can see in back of us.
So let me tell you guys a little bit about FFPerformance before we get started on the GT500 because I literally just landed and they're putting me straight to work. I gotta mount new tires on. What else do I gotta do? Install a wing, so stuff like that. Anyways, FFPerformance. So they sell a lot of cool parts for a lot of vehicles, and just to give you guys an idea, here's this Raptor right over here. It's almost fully carbon fiber on the front end, so they do sell a lot of carbon fiber parts.
They sell
and
anything
then
you can think of. The Roush front splitter, they sell the wheels, they sell coilovers, they sell brakes, they sell injectors.
Ooh, they sell the Mark V. Is that the front splitter for the Mark V?
Yep.
That's really cool. So that's probably them too.
Any car, anything you need, you know where to go.
So let's go into the shop right away and get started. This is Nyla, by the way, and that's her car. And this is Charles. Say what's up.
What's up? What's up?
You want to give us a walk around?
Yeah, what's up?
All right.
Bunch and factory performance, here we are, and I guess we're going right into it. Here is the beautiful GT500 that Christina is going to be driving.
Dang.
And a lot tomorrow, and on a racetrack.
And keep in mind, guys, I've never tracked a car before, so he's like 110% trusting me with this car right now. And he's not only like, he's not saying go easy. He literally texted me and said, like, I want you to beat it. So I'm a little scared right now.
She's gonna do 160.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna force her knee into the
You might have to actually.
Yeah, I'm very careful with cars that aren't mine, and I think that's pretty respectable.
So she said she wants to help, and we haven't gotten the new tires on for tomorrow. We've got the stockers on right now, but we've got these pretty sick variants here that stay on the car for track use.
Am I gonna curb rush them?
Please don't.
Okay. All right.
But
So we're gonna put those on right now, and then we're gonna install the FFPerformance. What is it?
GT500 carbon fiber track pack wing.
Okay.
That's a mouthful.
This is the new version because we have, there's somewhere over there. They're the new CNC billet stands. So first off, we're plastic stand.
It's spoilerless.
It's pretty naked right now.
If you close your eyes, they'll be there.
Pretty gross. The new stands are really sick. I'm super excited. The wing provides over 400 pounds of downforce.
Oh wow.
You're
All right.
definitely gonna feel it out there at the track if we get you going fast enough, which we definitely will.
Sweet, sweet. Okay, so let's get started right now.
So Christina is taking off the OEM wheels and putting on the racing set, getting ready for tomorrow.
They're making me do my own work. No, I'm kidding. I asked to because I find this fun.
How heavy are those?
I don't know and I don't want to know.
And here are the race set of wheels. They are bronze. They look so good. Look at this.
Curb rash them tomorrow.
She already did this side and they look so good. You're gonna curb rash them? No.
Totally. I can't wait. I can't wait to see Charles' reaction.
Don't speak it into existence. God forbid.
We're having barbecue tonight, guys. We're having a car meet. We're gonna see how many people show up. It was kind of last minute. So yeah, we're gonna have food, cars, and just a fun time.
In other words, if you're watching this, it's too late.
Yeah.
It already happened.
Oh, I need this.
While Christina is torquing down the 500, Nyla is out here. They're about to power wash her AMG. Super beautiful build. How's it going?
Pretty good. Star pattern.
Star
you know?
pattern. Star pattern for my star.
All right, guys, so Charles didn't actually show us this part of the shop. This is their hangout spot. It's pretty cool. They have a pretty sweet simulator right there, if it focuses. But we are gonna head back out there and we're gonna install a fully carbon spoiler right now, just for the heck of it. They need one before the track because we need that downforce, because I'm gonna be going so fast, like I'm gonna need it. And so
you better be going so fast.
So we're gonna go install it right now. All right, guys, so here is the carbon spoiler right over here. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? Chase.
I'm Grant.
This is Grant. I'm sure you guys know him. I mean, you might not recognize him because he took his braids out since. But we're gonna be putting on these mounting. What do you call these? Mounting.
They're just
Mounting things. I'm not the greatest at terms, but we're gonna be installing these on first, and then we're gonna fully be mounting the spoiler onto the car. And Grant just dropped. Here you go. You got lucky.
Christina's putting in work at the.
I feel like Bob the Builder right now. It's like a dream come true. One day we're gonna have our own shop.
Amen. A shop just like this one. All right, you guys. So we are having like a barbecue, as Christina said, and look what just pulled up. That's absolutely sweet. I love it. And is there anything else here? Nyla's still washing her car. That's about it. That's happening outside. But yeah, they're over there working at the station on trying to dress this GT500 for the track, as you know. How's it coming?
We're deciding whether this goes on the inside or the outside. Wow, blurriness.
Very blurry.
Alright guys, so here is the spoiler. Oh. Here's the spoiler fully installed. It was really quick and easy, and it looks super good on the GT500. Alright guys, so we finished installing the spoiler, and now Nyla wants to take me out on the drift stang. Yes. I'm scared. I guess I can drive first. I don't know, might as well. Just don't yell at me. Okay. So apparently this is the most built Ecoboost Mustang other than the person who built it. Like the most built, right? Other than the person who built this car, this is the most built Ecoboost Mustang, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, this is short. This is a short throw shifter.
I love the way this car shifts.
Oh, we're not using actual seatbelts.
No, we got harnesses.
You said you love the way this shifts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love short shifters so much.
Oh man.
I want to get one in my 240.
So Nyla, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
I am
a car girl. She's based in Arizona.
I love all kinds of motorsports. I'm into track driving in the 500 and my C63, and I'm just got it recently into drifting.
I've been seeing that. That's really cool.
I have a 1993 S13, well, RPS 13. I can't find So put this one.
Clearly, I don't drive these kind of cars, guys.
I work for FFPerformance, well, Function Factory, as you'll see a lot in this video, and my free time when I'm not working, which isn't often, going to the track to drift.
And so how have you been liking that?
I've only drifted a little bit. I just got new. I'm pretty new at it.
Yeah.
I got my 240 in late December.
Ago. Yeah.
So, but we've just been fixing things on it, like the core support, need a new one. I want to get a hydro handbrake because the current e-brake is the original and it sucks.
Oh, okay.
I need a new clutch. It needs a body kit.
Man, that's a lot.
It needs to be converted back to pop-ups because they did a Silvati on it.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
It's I'm just not a Silvati fan. I don't like Silvia fronts with hatchbacks, so
fair.
I'm gonna convert it back to pop-ups. Got a carbon hood on the way. Should be here any day.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a cool body kit. I'm not sure where from. But
so are you gonna keep the yellow?
No, I want to do a light purple.
Ooh, okay.
Or
cool.
like a fuchsia.
Okay.
Like a pinky fuchsia.
I like that.
So I'm not sure, but I mean, I love your inspiration of your color shift like chrome.
The neochrome.
And I'm kind of thinking maybe a color shift that has
that
pink
would
and
be
purple
really
in
cool
it,
for a
so.
drift car because I've never seen that before.
Yes,
I really like that.
A little bit about me.
That's awesome.
You ready?
So I think so. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's just do it. Oh wow. Wow. That blow off valve. Is there a turbo in here?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
So it has a
Where do I
Precision
go?
Turbo NX2. You can go right.
Okay.
I'm not exactly sure the wheel horsepower that this is making because
Yeah.
it's not my car.
Yeah.
But I believe
fair.
it's mid 400s.
Oh wow.
I
was waiting for my phone.
Don't quote me on it.
Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's dope. Where do I go?
Go right.
Okay. Oh my
Go a
god,
little
that's cool.
backward.
That drives like a freaking dream.
It is literally a race car. I'm obsessed with driving it.
I did a second gear start. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna. Okay. That's so fun. All right, we're gonna go at it. That's so. Oh, the brakes are really good.
Yeah. And so go right.
Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm done.
So I just got a full angle kit. So
Wow.
it was down for a while. So yeah, we just got it like back up and running.
Fun.
And
Can I move in with you? This is so fun.
come move to Arizona, please.
Alright guys, we're gonna catch you back at the shop. I'm gonna enjoy this thing a little bit more. Charles said two-step it.
Yeah, do it.
Oh my god, you're gonna get the cops called on us. I'm scared right now.
Press the clutch, just floor it.
Clutch. That's awesome. Alright guys, Grant is going next. Alright guys, bye, have fun. Peace out. Alright guys, Grant's back. Ooh, a GT352. Hey, how'd you like it?
The brakes
Did he go faster than me?
Yes.
Okay, I knew
He
it.
pushed it harder than we did.
Were you scared?
Me a little.
Yeah,
The brakes bite.
yeah.
Bite.
So I'm always scared of Grant driving. Alright guys, watch this. They're telling me to record this. Oh, you're talking about the angle. Oh, you guys just installed an angle
Load it
kit.
up that way.
Dang. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Let's see this.
Hang on.
Let's see this.
That's really clean.
All the Mustangs. Oh my gosh. That reminds me of a.
These body kit things.
Where does that remind me of? Oh my goodness. That's insane. You guys sell this?
Uh-huh.
No way.
Well, that's
I might need some engine decoration for the V6.
This ain't no decoration, son.
Never know.
Alright guys, so more cars are pulling up. This wasn't an April Fool's joke. Just saying. Dang, all the Mustangs are pulling up. What the heck? Grant, where's yours? Oh yeah, it's down. I'm kidding. Alright guys, we're pulling the food out. It's getting serious right now. Cars are still pulling up. So we were just checking out this car because it's pretty cool, a Shelby GTS. I've actually never heard of this, but we found out where the Mustang crew was hiding. Obviously the rest of the cars are all the way over there on the other side of FF Performance, but here's all the Mustangs. I think it would be a really cool convoy. They probably all convoyed over here, and the ones I want to highlight, really like that one, love that one, the CS, and this one's pretty badass. Not my taste, but this is pretty cool. You guys, that is so cool. Look at that. And then right behind it, there's an RSX with a BMW badge. What the heck? Yo, an R33 just pulled up. Oh my god.
Christina's racing right now. She's out.
We're going to do big race. 3, 2, 1, big. Third gear, off the brakes, off the brakes. And let it coast, let it coast. Now start picking up the throttle past the apex. All the way here outside. There you go, big full throttle.
Christina's at Laguna Seca.
And big brakes down to third, off the brakes, coast. Big throttle. There you go.
Alright guys, So car meet was an absolute success. We literally had like almost 3 lots full, and like I couldn't show everything because like half of it was on the other side of FFPerformance, and right now I'm just getting some simulator time in, and Nyla just hopped in and teach me how it's done.
We're getting ready for tomorrow.
This is a really cool simulator setup. I mean, like, we were all going at it for a bit, and people that were here for the car meet were also playing, and so yeah, it was really cool. It was open like indoors and outdoors. So I am getting ready for the track tomorrow. I'm super scared. I literally...
But you're getting a little bit more confidence from the simulator.
Honestly, I just like simulator I feel so disconnected from a simulator.
That's
like
true. You can't feel the G-forces on your body.
I don't know fear on a simulator. I will spin out, I'll hit walls and this and that because I'm not feeling anything. So I don't know like what speed is. I don't know where anything is. So I feel like I'll be a lot more confident and better on the track because I'm gonna be a lot more careful. So my race lines are gonna be a lot better.
The next video though,
yeah,
which is taking place tomorrow, is gonna be a really big video. We're going to Cars and Coffee in the morning, then going to a supercar event, and then we're going to the racetrack to track the GT500 that's back there. Christina's gonna get some lap times in on it.
Yeah, I really hope I do like pretty well, like to a point where I just improve myself. Like I care about impressing everybody, but like I really want to improve within each lap. Yeah, so I don't know what to expect. You know, I've never really been on a track. I think the closest thing I've ever been to race lines is like the entrance of a freeway, the entrance ramp. You know, when there's like cool squiggly lines and you're just trying to hit the apex and like speed through it. That's literally about it. But I'm gonna show you guys the GT500 one more time before I end off this video. You can see everyone is already pretty much gone. But yeah, overall, this meet was an absolute success. I might get copyrighted over this music, but oh shoot, where's the GT500? Oh, okay. Well, the GT500's outside, so I'm just gonna end off this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will link FFPerformance's stuff down below if you guys are also interested in getting your race time in, because they do that as well. They instruct, they provide programs, and like a bunch of cool stuff, and they also sell car parts, carbon fiber car parts and stuff like that. So make sure to check them out below. I'll put their social media down below. They are located in Scottsdale, Arizona, so if you guys are in Arizona, you can definitely stop by here and just like chat with them and hang out and stuff like that. Super excited for tomorrow. Grant, you want to say anything?
Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you soon. Peace. Bye. Charles says bye. Alright guys, I lied. I'm ending the video here, but really cool stuff going on around this shop. He is actually replacing his exhaust with a Tome. It just came in, so I'm super excited to hear how that sounds. Anyways, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video where I might total the Mustang. I don't know. We're gonna find out how well I do. We'll see the numbers later. Peace.